Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to compare two columns of data. So let's start it. Comparing two columns in Excel is a useful technique for finding difference or similarities between datasets. So first open your Excel sheet and select both columns first. Then go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. Now select Highlight Cell Rules. From the options that appeared, we will select Duplicate Values. Here in this window, you can choose whether you want to highlight duplicates. So this is how you can compare the column's content. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.